Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you a mini apartment tour to show you how the apartments are there here in US, a 2 BHK apartment tour, and let's get started.
There's a saying, home is a place where the heart is. It's a place where we feel completely comfortable and can be ourselves.
So this is the entrance. Now this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. So the first thing is the living area. This is the living area here. We have multiple sockets, as you can see. And this area is pretty big. It has a fireplace here. The entire apartment is carpet. And this is the balcony, the patio. Let me show you the balcony. The balcony is also big here. There's a light. And this is called the storage area in the balcony, where we can store a lot of things which we don't use on a regular basis. It's a little dirty. But yeah, it's a pretty big storage area to store many things. Now from the balcony, let's move to, we entered the living area now. Let me close this. So after the living area, this part is the dining area. And you can see it's really nice because it has these blinds all over. So blinds are this, where you can like close it or open it. So the entire blind section is here. This is a dining area. We can keep a dining table or something. It is just beside the kitchen. And it has a very good view. We can see outside. It's a very nice view. And it's so open. Now let's move to the kitchen area. So this is the kitchen area. And in kitchen, some things here are mandatory that is given when we take an apartment. One is this fridge. So we always have a fridge in every apartment that we take for rent. You can see this fridge. It's a pretty good size fridge where, if we stay sharing, 2-3 people can keep the things here. So this is the fridge. This is first thing that we get. Every apartment has it. Second thing is this dishwasher. So this is a dishwasher where we can place all our dishes and wash it. So you can see this. It has racks for the spoons, and here we can stack on the plates and wash it. This is a dishwasher. Now the next thing is this wash basin. So for wash basin, right, we don't throw, like usually we'll throw things in dustbin, the solid kind of things. So for solid things, we have something called here as crusher. So if we turn it on, it will crush the things automatically. Like whatever solid things you're throwing, it will get crushed here and then it will go down the sink. Let me show you that. So this kind of sound will come and it will crush all the things. So it has a crusher here, which is really helpful. Now the fourth thing is this oven. We have by default an oven set up here where you can do all grilling or baking kind of things here. Fifth one is the gas stove. Here this is kind of an induction one. So here are four things. One like these two, the first and this corner are for the smaller vessels. These are for the larger ones. And then if we just turn it on, so you can see these marks, right? So this is for the this one, the last one, because here is the mark. This is the front, this is the back. So if I turn on the front, see, it's burning now. You can see, right? So yes, so this is an induction gas stove. Now the next one is the microwave. So above this induction gas stove, we also get a default microwave setup, which you can use for a lot of things like heating up your things and all. So I definitely wanted to show you all these things because here in US we really get all this inbuilt in the kitchen. So apart from these things, there are a lot of place to store your things. So here these are the racks, these are the drawers for placing your spoons and stuff. Here we can keep a lot of things like, you know, your bags like big oils or anything, rice bags or big items can go over here. And these are just below your wash basin where there are some connections. These racks are really good for organizing the kitchen. And the good thing about this apartment is we have one extra closet kind of thing just beside of kitchen to keep few other stuffs. So I told you, right, 5 things. So this is the fridge, this is the oven, this is the microwave, induction, gas, and this is the washer with the crusher, and this one is the dishwasher. So all these always comes in the kitchen by default, whichever apartment you take. Some old apartments would not have this microwave, but nowadays we all have it. So now let's move to the next place. Let's move to bedroom number 1. So this is the master bedroom. You can see how beautiful it is. They have fans and lights here. This is the master bedroom. And here in the master bedroom there are 3 large windows which from where you can see the view outside. This is like connected to a road. Not very noisy though, but it's really beautiful. So this is the master bedroom window, which is looking pretty good. I will show you in a different angle as well. You can see here. Up in this master bedroom, we have attached closet. Closet is a place where you can keep all your clothes. You can organize it well. You can hang here hangers and everything. Here there is also a small rack kind of place which we can make it a bookshelf, or you can use it for any other organizing clothes or something here. And there are also one more rack. So total there are 3 racks and a small rack here where we can organize a lot of things. Top for the things which we don't need regularly, you can place it on top. Favorite place. It's called a walk-in closet where you can walk in or change your dress. It's really nice. I really love walk-in closets. We'll go to the washroom. This master bedroom has an attached washroom. I'll show you. Hello. Okay, cool. So this master bedroom has an attached washroom. You can see there's a wash basin here, and there are some racks over here. This is the toilet and the bathtub. There's a hanger. Lights are pretty good, and there's a rack here. All right. So this is the master bedroom washroom. Now let's go to the next bedroom. Before going to the next bedroom, so this side, before entering, the right side is the master bedroom. The left side is the next bedroom, which is not having an attached washroom. And I'll also show you this. So once you enter, on the left hand side, we have this closet also. This is kind of a coat hanging closet. So in cold areas, like if people come inside, you can hang your like coats or blazers here. But we can also use it for different purposes. The next thing I wanted to show you is the washer dryer room. See, This is the washer dryer room. So this is the washer, and this one is the dryer. So here, like, we do not hang our clothes out in sun and dry it. We just wash it and put it here inside this dryer, and it dries completely. The best part of this room that it has different area, like this racks, organizers, where you can keep whatever things you like to, like for example detergents and few clothes or anything. You can make it as a shoe rack as well, because this is not a regularly used place, so this can be used as a shoe rack. And this place above the washer can be used for like keeping your detergents or anything which is needed for your laundry. So this is kind of a laundry room. So this comes along with the apartment, but in case sometimes it doesn't, but in case it's not there, we can always pay like a monthly $30 or $40 and then do this set. Okay, let's move to our next room then. So this is the second bedroom. Okay, so second bedroom, once I enter, there are two closets here. One is a left side, one is a right side closet. So let me show you the right side closet first. So in this closet, it is a small space. You can hang your things, we can keep our things, or it can be used for storing your luggages or any big bags or something. We move to, this is not walk-in. Yeah, I just wanted to say this closet is not walk-in. Basically, walk-in means where you can really go inside and change your clothes, or something where you can just walk inside. This is kind of a smaller closet. After which we will go for this bigger closet. This is kind of a walk-in closet. Okay, so similar to the other closet in the master bedroom, this is comparatively little small because it's a second bedroom, but still it has a good amount of racks to store and organize your clothes, and place also to walk inside. All right, this is the walk-in closet. Now let's move inside the room. So this is the room. I'll show you from here so that you'll have an entire view of the room. This is the second bedroom. All right, now let's move to the washroom. So this room basically doesn't have an attached washroom. So this is the washroom, which is just outside. When you come outside the room, this is the washroom for this. So it's also pretty nice. It has similar wash basin over here. Let me turn off this sound. It's little okay. So it has a wash basin here. It has racks. It has a rack over here. You can hang your towel. There's a light, pretty good one. And there's a rack over here to store your things. There's a wash tub, the bathtub. We can hang a screen here so that the water doesn't come out when we take shower. And this is the toilet. Okay, now I think we are done. See, on the top, these are called as the fire alarms. So whenever there's a smoke in the house, you can see here here also it's a fire alarm, the one white one which I'm showing. So when you have a smoke in the house or something is burning, so this fire alarm starts beeping to make you to let you know that okay, there's something smoky which is in the house and you need to take care of it. So there's a inbuilt fire alarm in every other room, especially near the kitchen, and is like air conditioned, is like centralized, which is here. We can adjust the temperature as required, and always it has a heater and a cooler, so that centralized heater and cooler we can adjust as per the weather. Okay, how people, I think you really like the apartment. I'm not sure, but I like this apartment tour very much. So I showed you this one, the kitchen, the dining area, the hall and everything. And you know what, I made this video because a lot of my friends and family people, they will be asking me, so how you're staying, show your apartment. And I'll make a video and share it with you people. How are the apartments here in US? What are the inbuilt features that we always get and what we don't get? So Yeah, so there are few facilities, like every apartment has a leasing office. So in that office, there are people to help you. You can always reach out there and ask for help if you need any kind of maintenance work. Let me keep my phone here. Yeah, and there is a mailbox. So every time, every apartment, they get a parking area, they get a mailbox, a swimming pool access. So basically, I wanted to show you this apartment. I hope you must be liking this video, or if you really want to know anything else, please do post in the comment box so that I can make more videos on based on your questions that you are sending in the comment box. So thank you for watching my video. I really wanted to show you this apartment tour. I hope you like this video. Much love, stay happy and stay healthy, and do take care of yourself. Bye bye.